Today, I'll walk you through how to video chat on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to initiate a video call so you can connect with friends in real time. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon on your device. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just look for the app among your other applications. Once the app is open, you'll want to tap on the chat icon. This icon resembles a speech bubble and is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Think of this as opening the door to your conversations. It's where you can connect with your friends. Next, select the friend you want to video chat with. You'll see a list of your recent chats. Just tap on the name of the person you wish to call. If you have a lot of friends, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find them quickly. Now here comes the exciting part. Tap on the video icon at the top right corner of the chat screen. This icon looks like a small camera and is your gateway to a face-to-face conversation. Once you tap it, your friend will receive a notification that you want to video chat. Don't worry if this takes a moment. Sometimes it may take a few seconds for the call to connect. Once your friend answers, you'll be able to see and hear each other in real time. It's just like having a conversation in person, but from the comfort of your own space. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated a video chat on Snapchat. Remember, this process is the same whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.